Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and in this video, I would like to explain to you how you can export a SharePoint list to Excel. So here's the situation. I have this a custom list in SharePoint, happens to be a project list, a list of projects, and I want to export it to Excel so that I can work with the data, maybe build some charts, add some additional information, etc. So here's how we exported this to Excel. We have this export to Excel button. All we need to do is just click the button. And of course, what happens, the list is exported to Excel. All right, all you need to do is just click the file that's downloaded. All right, here we go. We just enabled that. We know what it is. Perfect. So here's our list. Now we can of course save this list, locally or to OneDrive, wherever you want. So in my case, let's just save it to my OneDrive. Again, it could be saved locally. Perfect. So I saved it. Now, what's really cool about this is that let me show you. If you make any changes, to the list here in SharePoint, your Excel list will also be updated. All right, because it's not just a list that's exported and that's pretty much it. There is actually a connection, the data connection between the two. It's a one-way connection. All right, it's a one-way connection. It's essentially the data is always downloaded to Excel, not the other way around. But the link is maintained. All right, so let me show you. So I have 3 rows, 3 entries right now. All right, in both. Let me make a change in this list. I'm going to add a new entry. All right, I'm going to add an entry. Here we go. Just add in a new entry in the list. All right, here we go. Perfect. Excellent. I added another row. Let's go to Excel. What we need to do is you will get to see this refresh button. So we just say refresh all. Look at this. Or you can also do the data refresh all, kind of same thing. Look at this. Here is my entry that I just added. All right. And what's cool about this is that you can also add additional information, right? Let's say maybe I want to expand in Excel, right? I don't want to alter anything in my SharePoint list. I want maybe to add another column in Excel, right? So some additional information. All right, here we go. Perfect. So if I'm going to go to my entry in SharePoint, let's go ahead and let's fix this. I guess I misspelled things right here. Let's fix it. Let's make some changes to this entry. I will still have all my other data intact in Excel. Let me show you. So here we go. Need to edit the entry. Let's change the spelling over here. All right, perfect. And maybe change the status of this. Here we go. In other words, I made a change. If I navigate back to the list again, refresh all. Look at this. My changes have been made in Excel, and my other information is still intact. All right. So this is a great way for you to maintain your data in a SharePoint list, in a SharePoint custom list, and then again, if you need to do something with the data, add additional information, maybe build some pivot tables, pivot charts in Excel out of that data. There is a nice way for you to do so. Just don't forget to hit refresh all the time, so the data, it will be downloaded, synchronized to your Excel from SharePoint. All right. So that's all, a nice little trick I wanted to show you today. Hopefully you learned something new. As always, happy to see you on my blog, sharepointmaven.com, as well as my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.